Agent Steve Haines, FIB Los Santos Division. Leave a message.
What the hell is this? Get back to work! Impotent rage. Impotent rage. Impotent rage. Impotent rage. Impotent rage. 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 Safety first. Hey, fellas! What's going on here?
Oh, impotent rage!
Thank God you're here.
We're being oppressed by an evil corporation.
Our bosses want us to actually work.
It won't guarantee us 200% raises.
Summer, Fridays off, and pensions for life after retiring at 37.
Why, that's outrageous! But we're going out of business if we don't make some changes. They want free snacks, massages, and raises every year. And most of them go on disability with full pay anyway. You revolting chiselers, you!
They're trying to fire me for sleeping at my desk.
You were...
Stay right there. I'll be right back.
Oh, good.
Ah, Brother O'Neill.
Fuck you, man!
Whoa, whoa, whoa! You're the guy stealing contracts.
You burnt the farm! Killed my brothers!
You had too many brothers. They needed culling.
You're fucking dead!
Aren't we all? We live and we die. That's our curse. Hey, you want to expedite the situation? Come fucking find me. Vespucci Beach, Los Santos, you inbred hillbilly fuck!
I'll be there, man! I don't know when, but I'll be there!
Okay, sugar, hit me.
My bad, okay? I ain't from around here.
Hello?
Nice ride and stuff.
Whoa-ho! waste of space on this earth.
I'm just gonna mind my own business. Whatever.
Can I get a signature, sir? For what? The most important fight of all. Poverty. No, another most important fight.
The AIDS.
No, no, another one.
Animal welfare.
Legalization. Here, sign. Shit, where's my pen? Where's my pen?
Legalization of what?
Of things the Founding Fathers took as a right to consume medicinal plants.
Legalize smoke?
Yeah.
You fucking kidding me? I make a shitload of money selling that, all right? The last thing I can handle is legalization. Now, fuck off!
Take a drag.
No, I don't want to smoke it anymore. It interferes with the speed.
It's really good weed.
All right, give it here.
Yeah. It's a real mellow contemplative high.
That comes from the earth. Those clowns over there.
What if this never wears off? I've gone through to the other side! This is the best, worst trip ever. How many fucking clowns can you fit in the van? This is a joke with no punchline. I finally flipped! This is it! How many of you sex offenders are there? Is this one of those hidden camera shows? I had problems, but this is seriously fucked up. See? Now. I'm not scared of you anymore. I'm a big boy now. Oh, come on, Phillips. Pull at it. for one now? Yeah! Who's laughing now? Spoke too soon. Head spin. Not good.
And I suppose that's why they want to keep us suppressed.
Gosh, it's been really interesting talking to you.
The fuck was that, huh? It was horrible.
Well, think about what I said.
For the love of
Listen,
God!
nobody likes you.
Oh, God. Which pharmaceutical company hired you?
Democracy only works when it lets intelligent people do what they want.
How's things?
That is beyond annoying.
You know it.
Come on, then. Make me suffer.
These kicks is fly as fuck, ain't real sellout.
Hell yeah.
Do you have a fucking...
This traffic is bullshit!
Look out!
You know what? You should see a doctor for that shit.
I don't care.
How the fuck are you alive? Tracy, baby, you called?
Yeah, look, Dad, we're worried.
I'm worried too. I really want to see you.
Well, I don't want to see you. You need help. Like, serious, serious help. And if you don't get it, you're gonna be killed.
Tracy, I love you. But you don't know what the fuck you're talking about.
I tried, Daddy. That's all I could do.
Come on! Let old Tanya treat you real nice. I ain't got no diseases. I ain't got nothing wrong with me. Clean and serene, baby.
Come on, seriously? Hey, let me ask you a question. You get a lot of business using those lines?
I.
Ooh, all right then, I'm sure you do.
What you scared of? Shit.
Me? Shit, I'm scared of a whole lot of things. Hey, you take care now.
Wait, I'd show you a good time. I like a big boy. Come over here. I'll show you something. I'll show you something good. I've been around the block and trust me, this is a fine...
All right, the fuck is this bullshit? We handled your little immigration problem, whatever the fuck it was. We're straight.
Oh, absolutely, yeah. You killed people, you tortured people, committed a litany of other crimes. Oh, we're so straight, you and me. We're arrows.
Davey, you can't do anything about this fucking turd?
Yeah, Dave? What can you do about me?
Here's Trevor.
Great! Looky, huh? Bunch of government shitbags and their favorite stoolie. What's he been telling you?
Oh, he just said how you guys were happy to help the government in any way you can.
Oh, really? Huh? Because I was told that if we helped out with that thing, which we did, then our past indiscretions would be forgotten in a haze of patriotic fervor.
Who told you that? Did I tell you that? I'm in charge here, Fruity. Me! You understand?
Not quite. Can you explain that again?
What I was saying! Oh, you're good. The three cunts.
Listen, we need help with something else. Some of the government, some of it is pretty corrupt.
Not your bit, right?
Yes, but we're corrupt in a good way.
But the agency, they want to encourage panic so they can guarantee their budgets. That's how they get paid.
It's a major problem.
And now they've secured some funds that we need to use in our fight against crime as a way of bribing corrupt officials.
Really? And where are they getting that from?
Drugs. Those bastards love to sell drugs.
Who doesn't?
We think they're gonna use this money to finance a war on our streets. And we need you boys to requisition that money for us.
The bonds are leaving the terminal in an armored car.
Yeah, fuck you, Dave. We don't have time to prepare the right way.
It's not my concern. I cannot allocate any more resources to this. You'll be fine.
Fuck you, Dave.
Nice work, Slick. We're gonna be doing pat-downs at the airport before those fucking clowns are done with us.
You know, fuck you.
Hey, look, man. It is what it is. Now how the fuck we gonna get this done?
I don't know. I got it. Classic blitz play. It's an industrial area, right? So I'm thinking vehicles. Trash truck to block, tow truck to sack 'em. We get some disguises, and we're golden. We just gotta hope like hell these are the kind of agency men that don't carry a panic button with them. If they are, we deal with it. If and when.
If and motherfucking when.
I will keep my eyes peeled, General.
Thank you, Michael. Hey, no problem. No, really. Alright guys, a few more details. We'll need boiler suits and masks for this job. The garbage truck. Let's get one from your park. Bring it back through the lot. And there's an auto repair place by the airport where we can get a tow truck. What else? Oh yeah, get away. That would be nice. Get something fast and discreet. We park it off the road, a good distance from the lot. And make sure it ain't near something we'll crash into driving off. That's it.
Alright, man, I got you, dawg.
What? Huh? I missed that. Maybe shout a little louder?
Bite me.
Fuck those dudes.
Time for action is now. So I take it I can count on your attendance, friend?
Huh?
At the smoke-in.
We're what?
Yeah, we're gonna bring down the government by smoking weed together in a public place. It's very effective. I'm prepared to be a martyr, friend. Are you?
Shit, if being a martyr means to smoke good weed, for sure.
Would you like a little warm-up? You know, before you go and collect the supplies?
Before I what?
No. Get the supplies. Can't have a smoke-in without smoke. You know, cerebral stuff that's gonna get the people up off their feet protesting.
Man, I don't know. It sounds kind of bullshit to me.
We're gonna crush them with our resolve. Here. Have a little taste of that. Just a mellow, sophisticated high.
Man, it seems a little dry.
Can't you see the aliens?
Man, what else are you taking? Man, this shit is garbage.
Anyway, just get the stuff. It's a revolution, and then call me.
Crazy motherfucker.
San Andreas needs you. I'll text you where the stuff is. Hey, go quick before someone sees you. And look out for the cops. And the monsters. They're everywhere. San Andreas needs you. I'll text you where the stuff is. Hey, go quick before someone sees you. And look out for the cops. And the monsters. They're everywhere. I'm being watched. The cops are onto me. Get out of here. You know too much. Are you listening to me? Go now. We can't be seen together.
I often wonder when a guy like you comes in, what does he do after he leaves? What did he use that last purchase for?
Ain't this supposed to be an ask no questions kind of place?
So you're Ballas, right? Probably an OG, too. I was reading about them online.
Are you trying to be funny with me, fool?
No, I'm sorry. All that purple and green, I'm colorblind. I have a lot of allergies, too.
If you want to keep the rest of your senses functioning, I'll shut the hell up and just serve me.
Got it. Loud and clear, sir. Sorry again. I drive through South Los Santos sometimes, just to soak it all in.
Some boiler suits. Damn, that hit the spot.
My main man, what's good?
Anyone come back?
Do not be alarmed by the smell. It's all part of the experience.
You are brainless.
veritable treasure trove.
That's a perfectly good sock.
Just ignore us.
Yes, don't mind us. Pretend we're not here.
Okay.
You're not Jock Cranley, are you? Actor and artist? I love your work. Oh, stunt double. Oh, our favorite show. Mrs. Thornhill, snap.
Watch the birdie.
Oh, pretend to throttle me. Yes, like you did on that poster you did.
Yeah, okay, well, that would be my pleasure. Like that, huh? Yeah? Maybe something like this? Or like that? Huh? You like that?
That's enough, now, dear.
You like that? Oh! Hey!
Thank you.
Wow, that's quite a woman there, huh?
We are not worthy. We're not worthy.
We're not worthy.
I'm not Jock, what's his name?
Cranley, big star in the 80s.
We love celebs. That's why we came to Tinseltown.
Yes. Before we met you, we were trying to break in to Bruce Spade's house and steal his rubbish.
The things these stars throw away. They're not like you or me.
Mrs. Thornhill has the most unbelievable collection of celebrity underwear and bathroom products. Things they've actually used themselves.
You guys have a great vacation, all right? I gotta go.
We could do with some help. All this climbing over walls and rooting through bins, it's such a business. Nigel's got an arthritic knee.
What do you need?
Just a few Vinewood souvenirs for my museum.
Look at this map. I mean, a lot of these places have famous people living in them, and some that are just hanging about. Bring us some things. I'd be very thankful indeed.
Americans are the most wonderful people in the world, aren't they?
The best!
Such fun!
Pair of fruitcakes.
I bet I could hit your G-sharp every time.
I can't believe we're parting with Love Fist's manager. That's so...
Okay, which one of you cupcakes is Willie?
Hey, who the fuck are you?
His dentist!
Willie's still downstairs chatting up some bird, man.
Whoa, his dentist comes to him? That is so cool.
Oh, some of the shit I've seen, love, it's unimaginable.
You know, if Jez and the guys hadn't gotten so into yoga and probiotics nowadays, we'd all be dead.
Well, I burned through the last of my dopamine on the second comeback tour in '05. The doctors reckon I'll never laugh again.
You guys were amazing tonight.
Aye, hey man, no more autographs.
Hey, that's okay. I want something more personal.
Piss off, you twat, before I kick your ass. You want to go, do you? Do you? Ah, my tooth, you bastard!
Dispatch to units in Vinewood. We have
I bet Crow doesn't have to deal with this shite!
tequila lost. Backup and medical assistance required.
I'd say my work is done here. Guess what, you crazy English fruitcake?
Oh, I'm dreadful at guessing, aren't I, Mrs. Thornhill? No, she can't hear me. She's washing out a nappy from Samantha Muldoon's dustbin.
Yeah, one gold tooth, courtesy of Love Fist, complete with complimentary DNA.
Marvelous, marvelous. Oh, Jock, I knew you wouldn't let us down.
Toodaloo!
Alô, alô.
Absolutely. Ay, you borrachos!
Christ!
Alô? Alô, alô.
No way, bro. Hot. You don't call me back the next day. Yep.
Alô? Alô? Alô, alô?
Fuck me.
Good God Almighty! We're going to
Vamenigas!
Make me cry! Come on! Make me
Whoa.
cry!
You need to find peace, brah. Oh, you need help, desgraciado. Kiflam. Jesus, what a freak! Hey, I haven't seen you at the Epsilon training. You okay?
Bye, friend.
Look out!
Oh! Oh! Motherfucker!
No way!
Can I have some money? It's for crack. Hey man, what's up?
Later, friend.
Hey, going to the gym later? Oh, hey, Mom. How are you feeling? Yeah, not sleeping too well, but everything's fine.
All right, I got some masks. We're all gonna look real pretty.
Just work stress.
Hey, you my dude, right? It's all good.
I'm sorry I showed my thingy, okay? Frank, you there? I need some company. You free?
Dude, we was just hanging. Maybe later, all right?
So lonely, bro. So goddamn lonely.
This Big J, a.k.a. J-Dog, a.k.a. Dangerous J, and I should probably say, like, Jimmy DeSanta, in case this is in relation to a doctor's appointment or a reservation. Speak!
Hey, buddy, you wanna do something?
All right, dude, okay. I thought you was cool on me, but, whatever.
Stay there, I'm coming.
try to act normal for a few hours, okay? So, since you all on this mentorship / role model / inspiration tip with the homie Franklin, I was wondering, you know, why don't you give an up-and-comer
Yeah, / Sure, / First and only lesson, loyalty.
So you mean like only eating at burger shop and not fucking with that Cluck and Bell shit?
I mean, your crew are your brothers. Without them, you're nothing.
Well, Frank ain't that good a student if he leaves me on the road to hang with you motherfuckers.
Michael doesn't impart the same value system as me.
Oh, hell yeah. Yeah, dude. I'm with that. Loyalty for sure. But I heard that Michael dude was living in a big-ass house while you down here bumming in a motherfucking trailer. So maybe his is the example to take. But you know, I'm just talking out loud, man. I'm just thinking this shit through.
Hey, if you want to be rich and miserable, fuck loyalty. Fuck it in its ass.
Nah, man. Nah, fuck that. If that's the case, I'd rather be broke and angry, just like you. And loyal, too. Really, though, I'm all about loyalty. I ain't drunk, nigga. Not like you, oh drunk-ass bitch. Fuck-ass, drunk-ass, bitch-ass. Man, I should've been on the rap game by now. I got skills, I got content. Nigga, I'm way ahead of the game, nigga. It's just politics, dawg. Bitch-ass politics. That's the shit, nigga. But guess what? Fuck rap, nigga. I'm in the street with mine. I got the gang. Professional as a motherfucker, man. Maybe that's why motherfuckers get intimidated to talk to me, because they can tell I'm on. We gonna have to whoop this big man. Fucking punk, bitch. Man, punks ain't got no brain, and they ugly.
I got your back.
Sleep it off, dawg. Don't do nothing stupid.
Man, I'm higher than a rocket team. I ain't going nowhere fast. Slow down, you ain't worth putting bust on. Crap! Oh no. It's out of control.
Oh, shit. So much smoke. Oh, man. The
the smoke? Step out my rig right now!
How did you not see me? What's wrong with you? Shit! Tow truck is at the lot. Just hope that broke your goddamn neck!
Anybody steps to me, gonna get fucked.
ask you something.
Ew. What exactly are you on, lady?
I'd like to be on you, sugar.
Greyhound track
Nah,
next week.
I've got very
man,
low
shut the
standards,
fuck up.
but even I ain't gonna sink that low.
Hey, fuck you, man. Shit.
We kind of established that that ain't gonna happen.
Look, I got a husband. He just needs money.
No, that's fucked up.
No, he needs a divorce, lady.
Creepy ass motherfucker. Fuck you. Disrespecting a lady like that. Shit.
Anyone caught fucking with my girl Yanika is gonna get fucked up.
That's a bully.
Oh, you really suck. Reloading!
Stop! You see the funny guy's name?
Listen, nobody likes you.
What's up? What? Hey, what's up?
Holy! Give me that car, dawg!
you got off lucky, homie. My ride, dog.
Don't do this to me! Robbery! Call the cops!
Hey, I got a ride for our getaway, homie.
Well done. Where's it stored?
La Mesa.
You're invading my space!
No. Open your damn eyes.
How's it hanging? Well, I've been trying to think of
Dios mío!
maybe Helco pad. I don't know.
You go!
¡Qué milagro!
Man, get the fuck up out of here.
Shit! Oh! Oh, shit, man! Cabrón!
That's dumb luck right there.
Hey, remember me? It's Mama.
There he is, my #1 player.
You ain't cleaned yourself up yet, Tanya? What the fuck is wrong with you? You said it was all good on the phone the other day.
I was, and, you know, I did. I was clean. That's why you didn't really see me around for a bit, but... JB, man, the smoking is real bad. Real bad. I had a few days.
But you ain't clean now?
Exactly, okay?
And now your ass gonna lose every fucking thing unless I help you, right? I heard this shit before.
JB ain't doing so good. JB ain't well. JB's your cousin.
He ain't my fucking cousin.
Look, your mama smoked, nigga. You know what it's like. Don't you have a heart?
I don't have much of a heart. But by doing this, I don't have much of a brain either.
I love you, Franklin. I mean, I don't know what you want me to say. JB, appreciate all you doing. Just one more job with me, and I promise this is gonna be the last time.
It better be. Now bring your ass on. Come on.
So you wanna hit?
Hell nah. What happened to you, Tanya? You used to be a good girl.
Good girls need some sugar on their cereal. Days get long on the block. You know how it is?
No, I don't know how it is. Why don't you get out the hood? Away from JB. I love that nigga, man, but he bad news.
What, like you? Like Tanisha? Find me some rich lawyer or doctor? That ain't real. Maybe JB ain't going places, but you know who he is?
If he went his ass to work, that'll be a start.
Aight. Show me how good you got since last time.
This is dispatch. Come in. We have an accident on Vespucci Boulevard. Over.
We got it.
Copy that, Vehicle 29. Driver's badly injured. Phone box on the scene. Car needs moving to the nearest auto shop. 10-7.
10-7, 10-4. Tanya don't talk numbers, baby. Unless you talking 420, then we got a date.
10-1. You're breaking up. Over and out.
Man, ain't this like the 5th time? Ain't there any other fools out there you can guilt trip into working for no pay?
You in the groove now, Franklin. Whoa! And you and JB was homies before you had hair on your balls.
Yeah, so you keep telling me.
I still remember that time your grandpa caught you and JB slinging cigarettes. Chased you all over South LS.
Yeah, man, shit, that was a good hustle while it lasted.
You still kicking it with that shit talker Lamar?
Oh yeah, shit, I'm stuck with that fool forever.
We didn't have much, but we did it right on Forum Drive. That's whack.
Look out, man.
Damn, they got messed up. There it is. Okay, fool on the radio said drop it at the repair shop.
I heard that. Over.
I think there's one on Adams Apple Boulevard.
Watch out, man!
Say you about earned a tow job of your own.
Come on, Tanya. I told you better than that.
Don't get all high and mighty. You know different. You ain't afraid to use what you got to get paid.
Man, what are you talking about?
I heard about you. Rent boying on the side. Selling yourself.
What?
That's what people are saying. You know Sharonda's cousin Kiara's nephew, Deontay? Skinny kid with the big head? They call him Golf Club.
No, I don't know Sharonda's cousin nephew.
He saw you with a rich white boy. I ain't judging. I mean, we all got bills to pay.
Man, that's so messed up, I don't even know where to start. Crackhead-ass Grapevine really outdone theyself this time.
Just drop that bad boy in the parking lot, and we done. Why you making a big deal out of this? That should do it. Can you give me a ride back to the yard?
Like I don't got nothing else better to do than drive your ass around.
JB will make it up to you soon as he gets back on his feet.
Yeah, I heard that one before.
We'll get some drink, get some smoke, get some good food, do it right. Me, you, JB, Tanisha, if you want.
Now that ain't happening.
Okay, you, me, JB, and that clown Lamar Davies, old school. If you ain't too busy rent boying, that is.
Fuck you. Oh, man!
Like I give a damn. That's whack. Jesus!
You fucking fucker!
You solid, Franklin. Thanks again, baby. Don't be a stranger. Sharonda? Guess who I was just with? No. Ew, no. Okay, you ain't guessing. Franklin Clinton. Of course. I just asked him flat out. Told him what Deontay saw. He denied it, but who's gonna own that? Let's just say the boy looked like he's got some extra paper coming in. We go way back. He's always been sweet on me. Tanisha, girl, only way she gets picked ahead of Tanya is alphabetically. What can I say? I'm literary, girlfriend. Okay, hit me up tomorrow. Look out!
Shit! That was close. The answer's no.
I can't holler at my boy now? Thought you might want to know, being a high roller and all, they finally put the towing company up for sale. You know the business. Could make you some good paper. And you can keep JB on as a driver when he gets his head straight.
Shit, I'll think about it.
What's good, hey?
Look who it is. Bullets just bounce off.
this is 911. What emergency service do you require? Thank you. Police officers are en route to your current location.
Get up! Fuck me! Get this!
Christ almighty!
Self-defense, you hear me? It's his word against mine. Only his power of speech probably went when his tongue came out of his throat hole. I know my rights, officers! I took a 9th class in criminal law! I'll represent myself, and I'll sue you for damages! Why, oh why do you exist? This is discrimination against drug addicts with propensities for violence!
Reporting shots fired at an officer south of Los Santos.
Jesus! Can I get a cab ASAP?
I'm sending one out right now.
Wonderful.
can hear you breathing. Get a life, weirdo. So weird.
Goddamn.
What have you got for me, dispatch?
Perfect timing. I got a customer for you right now.
I'll take that one. Cancel that. Turns out I can't be bothered after all.
You are an asshole, you know?
Whoa! You need to find peace, bro.
Would you send out a cab post-haste?
On its way, sir. Thanks for calling.
I'll be here.
Where you headed, homie?
La Puerta.
Sure thing, man. Okay, buddy. There you go.
Stop! Stop!
on Magellan Avenue in South Georgia.
Dispatch, we have a visual. Moving in.
Dispatch, we're on the scene!
You're dead! 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 Wow!
We are airborne and heading in. You have a visual on the suspect? This is air support. We do not have a visual.
Shit! Shit! Shit!
I should move back.
What are you, a park ranger or something? Because to me you look like some kind of puckered up asshole.
degenerate!
You ready to do this?
Yep, got everything we need.
Okay, so move already. When you get the stuff, bring it to Devin Weston. You met him at our internal rendition site. He's a major player in the investment world, so treat him with respect.
I'll show him as much respect as a friend of yours deserves.
The spitting image of my older brother.
Now that was nice.
I just want all my babies to go to a good...
At least it's my trash in the crib.
much this car costs?
Hey. What's cracking? Where T at?
Right there.
So we really finna do this shit? We finna risk our lives to rob some motherfucking government killers again?
Yep. Hey. All right. So, listen up. Here's the plan. All right, Trevor. Yeah. I want you in this position up here. Okay, you're on lookout. Give me a heads up when the armored car comes by.
Okay, yeah.
I'm gonna be right here, in the garbage truck blocking the roadway. Franklin, you're in the alley, in a tow truck. Hope is they pull right up in front of you. When they do, you come at them hard. Bam.
Shit, here's hoping.
Yeah, after the hit, we blast open the doors, grab up all the cash, bonds, whatever it is, I take it to Haines' guy.
It's all a little hopeful, homie.
As long as I am not on the ground when the shit goes down.
Okay? When the shit goes down, we'll handle it. You stay up here, on your post, eyes peeled.
Yeah.
Okay? We'll take the risk. Sound cool?
Shit, you the professional, dawg.
And at least we're not wearing clown outfits. There's a plus.
Right. The masks.
What?
Let's see what we got here. Huh?
Real professional.
Let's do this. Let's go, let's go. All right, T, I'm in position. What's the ETA?
Looking for him. There they are, incoming. Get ready to do your thing. All right, Mike, move it.
Get the truck in position. Across both lanes, remember. Just stop the truck and keep it stationary.
I'm stopped. You're on, F.
Sanitation aren't meant to be here today.
You better brace yourselves, you motherfuckers!
All right, make it happen. Plant the sticky bomb.
Okay, okay!
Don't stand near the bomb, kid. Everyone out! Let's go! On the ground, now! Move it!
My fucking ears! I'm fucking deaf, you complete prick!
Clean out the van, I got the guards.
The alarm's been tripped. The cops will be swarming here in 10 seconds. You better run!
Shut the fuck up.
Come on, good to go!
Sounds like they coming in numbers, homie.
They got a panic button, all right. Whole lot of cops on the way.
Yeah, you're encumbered by those barriers there. I'll be up here. Shit, we ain't gonna clear the area. All right, hold the cop. Make a play when we see a window.
Hey, this gonna be a nasty motherfucker, man.
Hey, camera! Put these cops down and we move on.
Look out behind! Cops coming from the alley on the left!
Deal with those cops coming up the alley before they flank you!
The alley at the back on the left. Mad cops coming up. Send them back. Hey, the news team gonna be on top of us, dog. Back left of the alley. Deal with it.
Hey guys, I got a bazooka up here in case you need me to wade in. Hold them down, get you on the back foot.
Clear, clear! Oh, I don't want a rocket up my ass! Keep them down!
Snipers there going down!
Snipers are gone. We're clear. They're coming from the left!
Holy shit, it's out!
Bitches all over the place! Shit, all right, man. You stay safe.
Everything cool?
Yeah, man, shit, that trash truck is trash, dog. You good?
Nice work. I'm about to meet this guy. I'll tell you how it goes.
Got a package for Devin Weston.
Package for Mr. Weston? Come on.
Yeah, and I'm telling you that I don't give a flying fuck. There you go, there you go. Boom! So long, motherfucker! Devin Weston.
I remember you. The weekend interrogator. Invest wisely.
Hey, hold on. We're not done here yet. I got a job for you, bro. 5 top quality scores. Big ticket cars. Major payday, bro.
Sounds great. I got just the guy for you. I'll put you in touch.
No. I don't want just some dude. I want you. I want your crew. I want pros on this.
Yeah, I don't give a fuck what you want, pencil neck. I'll let them know you're interested.
I guess I just got you figured wrong, man.
Hey, what's the figure?
Tell me something. You like football? I got a stake in a sports investment venture. You like the market? I got some funds you can manage. Name your poison, man.
I just like sitting around watching old movies.
Oh, there we go. How about I hook you up with Solomon Richards?
Bullshit. Solomon Richards, the movie producer?
Yeah, he's retiring, man, and I'm doing a finance deal for his studio. I will make the connect just as soon as you...
All right. Oh, man. Solomon Richards. Have a good one, boys.
Hey, what up, Michael?
Hey, man. Listen, I got an interesting opportunity for you. An acquaintance of Dave's.
An FIB contact? Are you joking?
Relax. The guy's private sector. Very wealthy. Could be lucrative. Why don't you meet him and see what you think?
All right, yeah, I'll think about it.
All right. Me and Trevor will be there, too. I promise you. It's a step up for you. A real opportunity.
You're gonna drive into me!
Man, one of these days I gotta get paid.
Always losing money. Everybody wants...
Okay, you know Redwood cigarettes?
Sure, the cigarette that built America.
They've rigged a jury to throw a class-action lawsuit that would cover the treatment costs of thousands of emphysema sufferers. There are 4 corrupt jurors on Redwood's books. I'll send you the details. Oh, and we only have a few hours to make them disappear. The court case is tomorrow morning.
Is that all, dog? Shit, that's quite a favor.
And that's quite a house you're living in. Get this done quickly, and I'll try to throw in a sweetener as well. Now, I'd advise picking up some long-range hardware to get this job done. You'll be helping a lot of people with this, Franklin, including anyone who might have a sizable investment in, say, debonair cigarettes.
Maybe I'll hit the jackpot tomorrow and join Los Santos Country Club, where I'll spend the rest of my life playing golf.
You gotta watch out, fool!
What the hell? You owe me $20.
Get down and lay down. Ain't nothing personal. too damn. Damn, I ain't got much time left.
Lunatic! You gotta watch out, fool! What the?
Hey, L, it's done, homie. All of them.
Very good. I'll be in touch.
Twat! Fucking fuck.
Just keep away from me.
Get the fuck up out of here.
Where can I take you?
Fine with it. It's just a robbery, sweetheart. You insured.
Fucking hell.
Slick wheel work.
Film that shit.
All that shit? Chop, what you been eating? I gotta get a regimen for your ass. Get it all out, homie.